not permitted. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a laboratory smoke detector. No smoking and fasten seatbelt signs are located throughout the cabin. All passengers are required to comply with all poster placards when lighted and crew member instructions at all times. To fasten your seatbelts, insert that flat metal end into the buckle, pull on the loose strap to tighten, and lift up on the metal cover plate to open. Should the captain turn off that fasten seatbelt sign, you will be free to the cabin as needed. However, we do request that while seated, you remain with your seatbelts fastened low and tight, as we cannot always predict rough air. And speaking of air, our cabin's atmosphere is carefully controlled for your comfort. Should there be a change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop down from the overhead panels. Immediately take the mask closest to you, pull the tube into the full extent to start the flow of oxygen, place the cup over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. The elastic band used to hold the mask in place can be adjusted by pulling the tabs on each side. If you are seated next to needs assistance, please place your mask on first before assisting that person. Should the oxygen mask drop, please do not touch the dispenser unit as it becomes very hot. The oxygen mask inside the lavatory is held in place by a plastic retaining clip. To use, pull the yellow tab to bring the mask within reach. Remove the mask from the clip and pull towards you to begin the flow of oxygen. And should it become necessary, your seat cushion may be used as a flotation device. To use, lift up on the rear portion of the seat cushion, place your arms to the strap underneath, and hold the cushion close to your chest. Controls for your flight attendant call button, reading light, and air vent are located overhead. At this time, if you would, please minimize distractions from your electronic devices and direct your attention. At this time, if you all would please check one final time to make sure that your seatbelts are fastened low and tight. Your seat backs and tray tables are stowed in the upright and locked position with your aisle armrest lowered. We do thank each and every one of you for your attention as well as your cooperation. My name is Shakita, and joining me in the cabin today is Nancy. If there's anything that we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to let us know. In just a moment here, we will be turning off the main cabin lights. If you need additional light, now is the perfect time to reach up and push that reading light overhead. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard American Eagle.
Ladies and gentlemen, the local time is 8:58 p.m. We are 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we're parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This is for your safety as well as the safety of those around you. To prevent injury from bags that may fall, please use caution opening overhead compartments, as bags may have shifted during flight. You may now use transmitting cell phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers must remain off and stowed. If you have a gate-checked, red-tagged baggage, please don't forget to retrieve those bags since they're not tagged with your flight information. Please wait alongside of the